Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a simple and effective homemade teeth whitener to naturally brighten your smile. Let's get started. For this natural teeth whitener, you'll need just a few common ingredients: baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, and a few drops of water. But first, let us look at these ingredients in detail. Baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is an effective and popular ingredient for teeth whitening due to several reasons. Mild abrasive. Baking soda has a mild abrasive nature that helps remove surface stains on teeth caused by food, drinks, and other sources. This gentle abrasion helps polish the teeth and remove discoloration without damaging the enamel. Neutralizes acids. Baking soda is alkaline and helps neutralize acids in the mouth. This is important because acidic foods and drinks can erode tooth enamel, making teeth more susceptible to stains. By neutralizing acids, baking soda helps maintain a balanced pH level in the mouth, promoting overall oral health. Antibacterial properties. Baking soda has antibacterial properties that help reduce the presence of harmful bacteria in the mouth. This can contribute to fresher breath and a cleaner oral environment, reducing the risk of plaque buildup and gum disease. Inexpensive and accessible. Baking soda is a cost-effective and readily available ingredient, making it a convenient option for DIY teeth whitening at home. When using baking soda for teeth whitening, it's important to do so in moderation. Overuse can lead to enamel wear and tooth sensitivity. It's generally recommended to use baking soda-based whitening methods no more than 2 to 3 times a week. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide, or H2O2, is a chemical compound that appears as a clear, colorless liquid. In the teeth whitening process, it is a key ingredient in many teeth whitening products because it can break down into water and oxygen, helping to remove stains on teeth. First, take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. Mix them together in a small bowl until you form a paste. If the paste is too thick, add a few drops of water until it reaches a toothpaste-like consistency. Next, apply the paste to your toothbrush. Make sure to cover all surfaces of your teeth. Gently brush your teeth for about 2 minutes, making sure not to apply too much pressure. This will help remove surface stains and brighten your smile. After brushing, spit out the paste and rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Be sure to rinse your toothbrush as well. Use this homemade whitener 2 to 3 times a week to avoid damaging your enamel. And if you have sensitive teeth or gums, please consult your dentist or doctor before using this paste. For a little extra flavor, you can add a drop of peppermint oil. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips and DIY tutorials. See you next time.